Hey guys, it's Tori from Calypso Creative Planning, and in today's Digital Plan With Me video, we're going to be taking a look at this weekly spread that I created back in October of last year when my Spooky Glam collection came out. So, stay tuned. Okay, so you may have seen my mini sticker kit bundles in the shop, and maybe you haven't. Maybe you're still new to my shop, but I get the question every once in a while, what is a mini sticker kit bundle and how do I use it? So I've given some examples in the past, but I haven't been the best about showing examples with the listings. So I thought this video would be super helpful. Hopefully, fingers crossed. But a mini kit bundle is literally a bundle of small sticker kits. These are functional stickers with some decorative elements. I have some that are just solid colors and some that are just patterns. This is the Spooky Glam collection version, and it's got a blend of both solid colors and patterns. And you can use these completely on their own, or you can mix and match them. You can pair them with like the more decorative stickers. I'm doing like finger quotes. You guys can't see that, but the more decorative ones. But there's several different ways to use them if you can kind of like stretch your mind out there. So to give you an example of what I mean, let me show you 3 different spreads using this same bundle. So other than the mini calendars that you see here, all 3 of these spreads were created using nothing but the stickers from this one mini kit bundle. So you can see how many different mini kits come in this bundle, but there's so much you can do with one of these little kits. So I just wanted to give you some ideas that you can hopefully take to some of the other mini kits that I have and just some of the other more functional stickers. So yeah, let's dive into this weekly spread and just, see how I came up with it and see how I use some of these different stickers in different ways. So next up. All right, so let's get to the fun stuff. This is my Spooky Glam 1-month planner. And the spread that I'm going to show you, actually all 3 of those spreads that I showed you were the sample spreads that I created for my CHQ catalog last October when this collection first went live. And in the catalog, I gave everyone my mini sticker kit bundle for this collection because I wanted to try to, give something different. I've done a few of these different mini sticker kits. Like I have one for the teal and gold, one for like the Smitten Kitten. I have a patterned one and a solid color one. I think I have some other. I've got boho rose gold. I know you guys love rose gold, so check those out. I don't think those are in my Etsy shop right now. I think you can only get those on my blog in that shop. But I wanted to do something, different that month in CHQ to give, some different ideas. So, this was kind of like my way of giving some ideas for how to use these mini kits, because I've had some people say, like, how do you use these? What's the point? It's the same stickers, but with different colors. But when you think about it, a lot of sticker books, especially if you come with like functional elements, are pretty much that, like if you look at my big sticker books, they, I don't want you guys to get the wrong idea here, but like if you look at my big sticker books, you'll notice that you've got a lot of the, the colored boxes, the bordered boxes, the note stickers, the journal cards, the numbers, the words, like the days of the week and the months. It's kind of like this standard template that I created for my sticker books, the big sticker books. And it's essentially the same stickers in different patterns or colors. But there's a beauty in that you can mix and match, and you can use like the functional pieces to create headers and borders and little note areas and divide sections of your planners. You guys have probably seen me do that a lot. I love using a semi-transparent sticker to kind of block off an area of my weekly spread and still be able to see the grid behind it. So using functional stickers is just like, I can't imagine not planning with functional stickers. I had a fun chat with someone the other day in Instagram messages, and she said that she never uses functional stickers. And I'm just like, mind blown, because I don't even know what my spreads would be like without functional stickers. Oh, goodness, that was my phone. Did you hear that? Goodness. Okay. So like, I don't even know what my spreads would be like without functional stickers, because I like to have that balance of the decorative elements with the functional elements, so that I don't even know how to describe it, because like, I can't imagine planning any other way. Because I like to, I like to have that pretty element, but I also like to have functional stickers where I can have maybe like a box to put like an appointment reminder or something like that in. I also use functional stickers for, like this. In this particular instance, I'm using a solid color box to create like a header for my days. And then this little number banner thing, I'm so talking with my hands right now, but this little banner sticker, that's a functional sticker, but it's also decorative because it has like a pattern to it, like that fun little spider web pattern. So that's one way that I use functional stickers. I'll use them to color in parts of my spread. You'll see that actually later on whenever I block off an area. But to me, functional stickers just kind of like, they kind of help my spread along, because like I said, I can't imagine planning without functional stickers. But I know, my way of planning is so obviously not the only way of planning. It's just what works for me. But I thought that, by giving you a video like this, it would kind of hopefully like spark some ideas of how you can mix and match, because like, I didn't realize when I started this video that it was going to be like a whole, tangent on functional stickers. But that conversation with her the other day, it totally got me thinking. And it just, like, there's so many different ways to plan. Just like there's so many different ways to do so many things and like achieve the same result. And I love functional stickers. I'm just going to say it. I'm just going to put it out there. I love functional stickers. But I couldn't plan. I probably could if you challenged me, but I couldn't plan using only functional stickers, because I love like creative planning. Hello, Calypso creative planning, like it's not functional planning, 24/7. Like that would just be boring, which is probably one reason why I don't like using just like super modern, like basic planners, because I just like the prettiness. I have to have the prettiness, you guys. The prettiness is real. It has to happen. So, okay. But roundabout tangent on functional planning. See, love doing this. You guys have seen me do this all the time, like cropping down stickers to create a different look. See, that's sort of like a functional sticker, because it's just a solid color. It's not like a pattern, although there is a sheet in this mini bundle that is nothing but like all these shapes in like glitter, which hello, you guys know how much I love glitter. I can't plan without glitter. Okay, wait, do I have glitter in this week's spread? No, I don't have glitter in this week's spread, but I do have a metallic gold in my weekly spread currently in my planner. But weird tangent there. But anyways, so back to functional stickers. One thing, I guess one reason why I want to like impress on you, like the versatility of functional stickers, is that I'm doing something a little bit different for my November collection. And yes, I know we're just like at the halfway point of October, but you know, there's lots of people at this point that have my early access subscriptions. So they will be getting, you know, part of my November collection, you know, like next week, like next Saturday, next Sunday, something like that. So, I mean, yes, I'm working on my November collection, but one thing I'm doing differently, we're going to test it out, see what you guys think, let me know, because you guys know how much I love and appreciate your feedback. It is hugely important to me. But one thing I'm trying out differently for the November collection is, instead of doing like a big sticker book that is a blend of decorative and functional stickers paired with a standard sticker book that's smaller that also has a blend of decorative and functional stickers, this time I'm doing a fully decorative sticker book and a fully functional sticker book, which it kind of sounds weird, but when you see it, it'll make sense. So that's one reason why I really want to show you guys what all you can do. I mean, obviously this is not all you can do, but some of the things you can do with simple functional stickers to kind of like change up your layouts, change up like how you layer things, because you guys know I love to layer. And that's another thing. I don't know like what my planning would be like if I did not layer stickers. I just can't imagine that either, because I mean, I love getting different looks using the same stickers. Like, I mean, why not? So, but for November, instead of getting like a small sticker book and a big sticker book, honestly, you're getting two big sticker books, essentially. Like, it's the functional sticker book has, it's going to have like all those same things, like the functional boxes, the arrows, there's lines, there's banners, there's boxes. Did I say boxes already? There's the weekly strips and the daily schedule strips and just all kinds of stuff. And then there's headers, there's, you know, numbers and blah, 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 blah. Lots of shit in that book. Okay. I think right now the finished count on that book, the functional book, is like 500 stickers. So you're getting a lot. And then the decorative sticker book, because like I said, I'm doing the decorative one and a functional one. I wanted to give you guys the same amount of stickers as you would get with the big sticker book and the standard sticker book, but honestly, it's going to be more because I just couldn't help myself. So the decorative sticker book right now is going to be anywhere from, where it stands right now, it's going to be anywhere from 150 to 200 decorative stickers. So it's, you know, normally the standard sticker book, which is a blend of both, has anywhere from like 130 to 170. So, you know, we're in that same range. I think I only have like 2 pages left to design in that sticker book, and my PR team has already got some teasers and they're loving it, which is great. But it's right now, I think it's around like 150 or something right now. So, and I've got like 2 pages left. So that's something I'm doing differently. But so I guess I just wanted to like, I didn't even know this is going to be a like full on tangent about functional stickers. I mainly just wanted to show you guys like some ideas for these mini kits, because I personally really love these mini kits, and I started these as like, I didn't really have as many of like the basics. I wanted these to be like the basics, because there's so many times when I'll mix and match stickers where, you know, I get stickers from other shops, just for an example. So some of the shops I love, okay, Raw Element. Oh my gosh, I love her stickers. They're amazing. You guys, if you saw my Instagram and Facebook this week, then you saw on, what day was it? Wednesday, I did a journal spread using some stickers from Raw Element. Well, one thing I love to do is I like to take my functional stickers, which is, like the solid color boxes and the border boxes and semi-transparent stickers and like the weekly little strip stickers and the schedule stickers. And I like to pair those with Raw Elements, like collage style stickers. And, because you can mix and match them, and I can pull stickers from, like, I did one spread one time that's full on like hot pink stuff, right? So I pulled some functional stickers from my love story sticker book and paired them with some collage style stickers, and just like my fall collage style stickers that I released, oh my gosh, was that like last week? Yeah, like last Friday I released some fall collage stickers. So those don't have a lot of functional pieces in them. They have a few in some different like shapes and stuff, but I might mix in some different functional pieces from like my boho fall harvest sticker book, so that I have like day headers and, different boxes and things like that to pair with those collage style stickers. So there's just, like I said, I can't imagine planning without functional stickers, because I love creating like different little areas like this. You saw me just create like a little circle area. You can use that for appointments, reminders, whatever's going on specifically for that day that you need to kind of like, I'm like yawning here, you guys. My coffee is not kicking in, but you can use those types of elements and that type of layering to kind of separate, your general notes for the day from like appointments and meetings and reminders and blah, 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 stuff like that. So that's one way that I just love using functional stickers, because you can create those things that you may not get those type of things with just purely decorative stickers. So, I don't know. To me that makes sense, and I just really like it. I don't know what else to say about that, but it's just, I just wanted to show you guys some like different ways of like layering different things to get different looks, and just some different ways that you can use a blend of sticker styles. And, if you have other questions about, how do I use these, like give me more examples, just let me know. I'm happy to do that. I've gotten, it's been a long time since I've done like a challenge me video. So if anyone wants to challenge me to do something, like let me know. If you don't know what my challenge me series is, I think there's like a playlist on my YouTube channel, and maybe like a category in my blog, so you can like sort through those. But basically people have challenged me to use like, hey, can you use this specific daily spread and these specific stickers, and it doesn't all have to be just from my shop, because you guys know by now, like I don't use only stuff from my shop. And I can't imagine, what is the phrase of the day? I can't imagine using just stickers from my shop, because there's so many like badass creators out there that, just spread the love, collect them all. Maybe not all, but you know what I mean. But if you have like a certain sticker or a certain sticker set that you're like, I've never ever used this sticker, how would I use it? Or I've never ever used this set, or I've never used this page template, how do I use it? Challenge me. Bring it on. Okay, so here's the spread. And here's an example of how it could look with some text. This is some placeholder text that you can grab in my Facebook group as a freebie. So I just threw that on there just to give you some ideas of what it could look like with actual notes on there. And then this is this week's releases in the shop. I've got 2 page template bundles, and I turned my sister's handwriting into a new font. So head over to the shop and check it out. Bye, guys.